It's time for some Daily Dose. We've got 2 videos, so let's go ahead and get this started.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. They got pizza delivery, and under the special instructions section, ask the delivery guy to knock 3 times, twerk, and run away.
What? I mean, he did it. I hope they gave him a tip. A good tip. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh, come on.
There's an
What
airport
the hell?
on an island in the Caribbean Sea that lets you get really, really close. He somehow didn't see the glass.
Oh no, he's gonna bump. Huh? Well, I mean, he didn't bump. Oh,
She
okay,
decided it was time to finally get her hair dyed.
Really? There you go.
I've always wanted to be written.
Can someone else try this out to confirm this is real?
If you magnetize forks, apparently, the prongs, if they're 2 of the same fork, you can, like, flick electrons off of it, and then it, like, positively charges.
Huh.
That's pretty cool.
These scientists are trying to bring woolly mammoths back from extinction. They are doing some testing and wanted to see if they could edit the genes of a mouse. So they took regular mice and edited their genes to make them look like woolly mammoths.
Why? I mean, they look cute. I won't lie. They look really cute, but come on now. Oh, bird!
Here's a cool video showing how much someone's face can change depending on the lighting.
That is, oh god, that is weird. That is weird. I don't like
How
it.
did he manage to pull this off?
Ow! What the fuck? How the frick? The mammoth mouse. The mammoth mice are real. But they were kind of cute. How the hell did he do this? Oh. I think okay, I think I get it. Yeah, it went in his fly.
This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here. And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
She wanted to see who was snoring so loudly.
Dog? Dog? Cat. The cat is having the best sleep.
For some reason, the sewer cover was so hot that people were throwing eggs on it to watch it cook.
That can't be good.
She lost her ring when she was cooking and had no idea where it ended up.
Update.
No. Found it.
I'm so sorry, but that's my ring.
I had no idea the skiers
Ew.
could deploy emergency brakes.
Oh, ow, ooh.
Can you tell that the 2 of them are twins?
A little bit. The hint is there.
This private space company that you have never heard of just landed their own spacecraft on the moon. And as a result, it gave us probably the clearest and most HD video footage of a moon landing ever.
Yay!
This guy dropped his sunglasses in the water and this wild dolphin was nice enough to help out.
Tranquilos, no griten, no griten,
No griten, no griten, no griten, no griten. Oliver. Oh my god.
This dog
Now give him a fish.
likes to fake getting injured so they can get kisses from dad.
Really? That's kind of fun. All better. No, they were really hurt. The kiss just made it all better. Holy crud, dude. What the hell? Oh, that. Yay! He's gonna hit. He's gonna. What the frick?
A
Okay.
giant 2-acre large beaver dam that has existed for many, many years suddenly broke and flooded his neighborhood.
Get your camera on the bottom part.
They were trying to figure out why the engine wasn't working properly.
What the frick?
No. Don't huff and puff at me.
Get smacked, fool. What the hell? It's gotta be like a class or something. A skiing class. Poke.
This dog refuses to go to bed unless they are also wearing a sleeping mask.
They want their mask.
Are you
They want
good
their
now?
mask.
That's all you needed?
You guys are
I
still
gotta-
using iPhones?
What?
Pathetic.
This pigeon was concerned for this cat.
The heck?
This is probably the coolest garage door
That pigeon has zero survivabilities. What the hell?
ever.
The frick? Huh. Huh.
I think this guy was trying to tow his boat.
Bye.
She managed to find the secret stash.
Oh, the stash of cat toys.
He figured out how to communicate with the birds.
Look at him.
When you think you're a flamingo.
He thinks he's a flamingo. Oh, now he's stretching his leg.
No, he's just, you know,
So
he's just
this is
being,
pretty
he's just following the crowd. That's all.
crazy. Her service dog has been trained to detect when she's about to faint before it actually happens.
Man, I gotta look. I know, you know, dogs have good smell, good hearing, and whatnot. How though? I mean, how does it know? There's got to be something, some kind of like tell that their body that your body gives off. I don't know, but damn, man, that's impressive. I want that's freaking amazing to me. How the... Oh, he must have just kicked it. Okay. I thought the freaking toilet paper did it, but he must have kicked the stove.
Isn't he talented? He is so talented. I am so proud of him.
This dog knows that this cat isn't allowed to leave the yard.
Saw a dog detect a seizure before it happened with a guest at your dad's birthday 2 years ago. Dude, it's just so impressive, though, that they can do that. Because like I said, I can't... There's the human body has to give off something that lets them know, and it just seems kind of odd that it'd be like smell, so it'd have to be hearing or something. I don't know, dude. It's impressive.
And tries to stop him.
What the? The cat's trying to escape. He's like, no, you can't escape.
I thought it would be fun to get a scan of my brain done, so here's a cool video showing what goes on inside of my head. I also wanted to say thank you for 20 million subscribers.
Yay!
That's amazing. That is super amazing because only like 450 other YouTube channels have ever reached that number. which is crazy to think about.
That is
So thank you for watching, and I will see you very, very soon.
so weird
Later.
that we're getting 3D scans of him. I mean, it's cool, but what the hell?
Hello, everyone. This is your daily dose of internet.
Hello.
That's a cup of
Oh, that's that cup of That's that cup of
That's a
That's that
cup
one.
Uh.
I swear
That's
that's
a
that
cup
one
of,
cup.
That dude is so done. The hell? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
These police were trying to create a barricade for a reason.
Oh my god, there's a truck coming this way. Oh,
Oh, damn. Oh, okay. I was like, what the fuck? Okay. Makes more sense now.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
I think, is this, okay, I think I've seen this one. This one, if this is the one I think it is, let's see. Yep, yeah. For whatever dumb reason, this freaking other eagle always hits their partner with a freaking stick. They have they have like dozens of videos of him hitting the other eagle with a stick. It's like, what the hell? Whee! Oh, man. Oh, okay.
He started recording because he couldn't believe how squeaky these concrete stairs were.
Huh? Right. Squeaky.
This guy bought a
Yep.
cheap TV off of Facebook Marketplace, but for some reason it only shows a Popeye's fast food menu.
Hey, bro.
What the hell?
What are we ordering? What are we ordering? It's not funny, bro.
You better get your money back.
Let's get the signature chicken, bro.
Hey, man, at least you know what's available at Popeyes, right?
This live streamer decided to stand still for 38 hours straight on a busy street corner to see what would happen to him.
As soon as he's done, he's about to go to the bar and slay.
See, some of this is just like, come on, man. Like, this is just effed up. Don't do this to the poor man.
These police officers were arguing about whether this guy's lawn was real or not.
That is some legit. Like, that's like golf course grass. Oh, no, Jake, look. There's a pin right there holding it. Oh, it is. That looks really real. Okay, is this real? Is this real or fake?
Real.
Real turf?
It's real grass.
But what are these?
Those are sprinklers.
Those are sprinklers?
It has lights on it.
Oh,
Oh my
he
god.
lost the
Everybody
stick.
knows about skateboarding tricks or snowboarding tricks, but what about a horse trick?
Horse trick? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? That seems really dumb. That seems really stupid.
He told his son that he could buy anything he wanted if he caught his credit card only using his head.
Ready? 1,
I'm not ready.
2, 3.
There you go. Well, guess it's time for that PlayStation 5. Holy, oh, no. Nobody was hurt, by the way. Bottom left, nobody was hurt. God dang, I don't see how nobody was hurt. I don't see how that driver
fell into a
survived.
river, and not only did he survive, but he managed to get out and walk away unharmed.
Oh, I felt like this some days. Getting ready for work.
Pugs are one of the most dramatic dogs.
Pug, you have to stop. It's okay. Pug. Okay.
One of my subscribers was trying to cook eggs when this happened.
Just
Uh-oh.
listen to this.
What? What the?
The wind made these signs super bouncy.
Oh, man. Oh, God. That would, that'd be... I'd be concerned.
This guy helped program this robot and taught it how to fight.
I know Kung Fu.
I have never seen a cat walk like this before.
What the? You okay, little guy? He's all wobbly, too. You okay?
Her grocery delivery person showed up at a really bad time.
Just getting ready to walk around right here.
Oh. Oh.
And she'll walk right up. Come on in. Come on in.
Yeah.
Yep. Come on in. Come on in. I'm gonna distract. Girl, I'm trying to get my groceries delivered.
It's a moose. I wonder how fast they're going.
Why is he doing this?
She's gonna get you in just a minute.
Twerk.
Mm-hmm.
Twerk. Twerking.
About done, Roxy?
This is what an indoor skydiving race looks like.
What? What the hell? What? What the hell?
For some reason, these fish love having sand poured on their heads.
It's so fun. I mean, yeah, man, if they do, why not? He looks like he's having a blast. Yeah.
Okay.
The hell?
Make sure it's on low.
Well, don't. You can look on the settings on the thing. You don't touch it.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Okay.
Maybe. They might have done it.
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna slip, aren't they? Yep.
What made him think this would be a good idea? Oh, okay. Okay. They. I was wondering. I wasn't sure what it was, but now, okay, I get it now. How in the Trying
hell?
out their camouflage for the very first time.
Oh my God, he's so cute though. Look at the little tentacle monster. It's so cute. He's doing his best.
Her cat got impatient with how long it was taking her.
How do you make a chef? No? What? Thank you for the follow! Oh. Murder his family? What the heck? Hello, welcome. Thank you for the follow.
I feel like hands aren't supposed to do this.
What? Ah! No, don't. No. Oh. Okay. Okay. That truck came in like Kool-Aid Man. Jeepers, dude. What the hell?
They didn't properly tie down the new mattress that they bought.
Hold on, just hold on. We got a car in front of us flying away.
They decided that attacking as a group was the best plan.
Really?
Look at this girl's lights. Hey.
What the hell? Just an orange cat
Some random
doing
guy in
orange
town
cat
was giving out
things.
free donuts to people in traffic.
Yeah.
You want a
Okay,
donut?
I got you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
He's the trusting dude, man. I don't know if I trust random donut from a random person on the road, but okay.
So I guess sheep are starting to fight back now.
Oh, ow!
What is wrong with these cats?
Like the bro, 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 like.
Once again, just orange cat behavior.
Bro, like.
One of my subscribers recorded this amazing rainbow in Colorado. That is the
Dude,
end of
that
this
looks so
video. We
freaking
hope you
cool.
enjoy.
That looks so freaking cool, man. Why is it like it even seems like it's brighter here than out here? What the hell?
And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
That's freaking cool. I love it.